So we have taken one sample and placed for preparing for the patch punching. So we placed one cable on that and we punched this one. When we pull from the horizontal side, it is not coming, it hold very strong. But when I pull from doing upward side, it is coming easily like this. We have taken one cable, P10, P11 cable. So we will demonstrate you what is the issue we are facing now. First thing, this connector for the dip device, just see here, this is the connector we have received recently for the dip device side. Okay, can you please insert this one? You see, this connector not going fully inside, and this lock, this red color lock, it should go inside and to lock, but this dip device not having that arrangement for locking that one. I will show you the sample for the earlier received, which is having the part number 800 something. Just hold on, I will show you. We already fixed it in one panel. You see, this is the one which we received earlier one. It doesn't have like any red color lock or system like that, just it is having a clip type arrangement. You see, this is the connector which we received earlier, which is having the part number begins with 8. Can you please fix again? You see, it is perfectly fixing, but when we go to the newly received one, this is the newly received one, you can see the gap between the device and this connector. You see the gap. This connector should go fully inside, and this lock for which is having the provision in the device, but this device doesn't have the provision for this lock, even though this connector is not also moving fully inside this device. This is the first issue, and I will go to the terminal block side. See, this is a terminal block side connector, just to show this connector. So you see, this is the newly received one. I will show you what is the issue you are facing in the terminal block side. Can you please go inside? You see, we are not able to fix this inside because you see, this teeth arrangement and what we received now is different. If we are not able to fix this kind of teeth arrangement in the TB, this line actually you are able, can you hold it? Yeah, you are seeing there is a line here, no? This should be on the other side, like opposite side, then only it will be able to go inside the TB. So for this cable we are not able to connect on the relay dip device side as well as in the terminal block side. Thank you.